Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to an after dark relaxing clean with me. This is my nightly cleaning routine. It's not much, but I do like to go to bed at night with a clean sink and a tiny living room and tidy kitchen. My kids and Chris always pop their dishes in the sink. It was just the kids and I tonight, so it's not a big cleanup. We only had eggs on toast. Chris is working away, so it was a pretty simple cleanup, but when I do cook, I do clean as I go. My kids have afternoon jobs, so that's why they don't pack the dishwasher and they're not wiping over. I like them to go and have their showers and do their homework while I'm doing this, and I find it very relaxing cleaning when they're in their rooms. And also I just feel like I've achieved something before I sit down and watch some TV for the evening.
Good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow.
And here is just a little temporary rug that I've popped in the living room. I forgot that I purchased this rug from Target a couple of months ago. We did go down to Brisbane on the weekend, but I didn't get my jute rug. I saved Chris the trouble of going into IKEA with me and decided I'm best to go down to IKEA with my mum and have a look around in there. So I've just popped this rug in temporarily just to make the living room a little bit more cozy. It's a pretty little rug, but as you can see, it's a little bit too small, and I love just fluffing the cushions up before I sit down in the evening, and I kind of fluff them up as well before I go to bed, just so it all looks nice and neat and tidy.
Sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind. Lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. Don't tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. 'Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, 'cause you really seem to know how to carry on. How to carry on. Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home.
So every night I like to wipe over the benches and wipe over the cabinets just in case there's any dirty marks on there. And my kids also have a chore chart that they have to do every afternoon, so they have to make sure they've unpacked their lunch boxes, checked their uniforms for the next day, and make sure they've popped the clothes away that I've folded, and they're just to bring their lunch boxes out, and that's where I store their lunch boxes. So they've got their lunch bags in there, and then I've just got to wash up some of their lunch containers. I tend to make my kids lunches in the morning. I like to have fresh sandwiches, so that's why I don't make their sandwiches at night, and everything's all in those drawers for them for snacks, and everything's all prepared in the fridge anyway, like with the ham and all that in containers, so it's quite easy and quick for me to make it. And I am an early bird. I like to get up super early when Chris leaves for work as well, so I have plenty of time in the morning. So here I am.
All I know is this is where my heart is.
I'm just keeping it super real with you here. I have no makeup on. I'm in my daggy cleaning clothes. I was doing a few things in where we're doing our ensuite today, so I wasn't wearing anything special, and I washed my hair last night and this is how it's ended up. So I'm sorry that I am not too presented in this video, but I'm keeping it real with you guys, and I wanted to get a video up for you for the morning. And talking about videos coming up, I will be having a complete kitchen clean and declutter in here, getting it all ready. Although it's autumn here in Australia, I love doing a good spring clean just in autumn and in spring, and we are actually going to be painting our kitchen cabinets soon too, so I would love for the kitchen to be all organized and neat and tidy. And as I mentioned in my last video, I am replacing that power board when we do the kitchen up, so that's why there is cords running up the wall. And I always love to top my coffee machine up in the evening so it's ready to go in the morning. So that is what I'm doing here. I've done that forever, doing that, because I just feel it makes me feel like I'm already ahead of the game when everything's ready to go in the morning.
My hands are shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hit him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way.
I also mentioned in my last video how I was sent the Scrub Daddy and the Scrub Mummy to try out, and I had already bought the Scrub Daddy before they had sent it to me, and I was really loving it. And this is the Scrub Mummy. It has the hard surface on the outside, so the sponge actually changes due to the temperature of the water. And I was just showing you there with the mouth. With the sponge mummy, you can pop the spoon in there and clean it, and you use the eyes for grip. It is a fantastic sponge. It cleans everything up really well, and the best thing about it is when you're finished using it, you just throw it in the dishwasher and it comes back brand new. That made me laugh looking at the Scrub Mummy floating in the sink there.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone? Before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go on when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I got you, we don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this video gave you all the cleaning motivation that you need. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to join my YouTube family. Make sure you click that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos of mine. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.